Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Bandit, a war game from over the wire, designed to sharpen your Linux and cybersecurity skills. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump in and start hacking our way through Bandit. The level I'm going to do will be level 26. Let's have a look at its description. Log in to Bandit 26 from Bandit 25 should be fairly easy. The shell for user Bandit 26 is not Bin Bash, the normal shell, but something else. We need to find out what it is, how it works, and how to break out of it. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can head over to Kali Linux VM. First of all, we need to SSH to the target. No problem. Let me specify the current username, which is Bandit25. Press enter. It's asking us to supply the password for the current user, Bandit25. No problem. I have made a copy to clipboard, so I can right-click to paste clipboard and hit enter. Now we are in the target machine. We can press keys Ctrl, Shift, and L on the keyboard to clear the screen. Then we can get bigger space on the screen. Next, we can run command ls to list directory content. For me, I always put option of ALH together. And this level is different from previous level. Under current directory, there are several important files like Bandit25 we can cut out. But I don't think we have permission to access this file. And this file, I don't think this file has something to do with this level. However, the next one is private key. And this should be private key of the user Bandit26. And the current user Bandit25 has read permission. Great. So we can cut out Bandit26 and hit enter. Indeed, this is a private key. So we just simply copy the entire private key. Let me open new tab and create this key, private key, locally on my own machine. So I can use the Vim editor. Let me make the font to be bigger so you can see what's going on exactly. So private key, I always use this name for private key. Press enter. But of course, the file name itself doesn't matter. You can use any file name, and we can paste, and then we can write and quit. To use this private key, usually we need to change its permission or privilege setting. Change mode 400 or 600, it's fine. And private key. So next we can SSH. And let me change the username to Bandit26. And this time I will put another option with -i to specify the private key. Okay, press enter. Now we are logged in successfully. However, it's disconnected immediately. What's going on exactly? As you can see over here. So welcome to more information. This is over wire game server, and welcome to over the wire WW. So what's going on exactly? Although we have already logged into the target with this private key, but it's disconnected immediately. So maybe there will be something different or special with the shell specified for this user, Bandit 26. So how to get to know which type of shell is used by Bandit 26? We can get such knowledge. Maybe, okay. So now let me open new tab and SSH to the target again. This should be the 25 because we cannot we cannot execute commands actually with the username bandit 26. Okay, so now let me even bigger and paste. Oh, sorry, I don't think I made correct copy. So instead, I like to copy the password from notebook. And it's asking us to supply the password of Bandit 25. No problem. We can hit enter. And now we are in again. So to get to know which type of shell is used by user Bandit 26, we can take a look at the file password file, and we can use the cat password file, and we can use the grep. We can pipe operator and then use grep. We just want to know the shell of the user Bandit 26. I'm not interested in anything else, right? So Bandit 26. Press enter. As you can see, the Bandit 26, the user shell is a bit special or a bit weird, not bash. If you change the username to 25, you can know the normal user, its shell is bash, but here is show text. So next we need to take a look at this shell. So how to know? We can check its permission, user bin show text, and current user has read permission to this this file, and we can use cat command and copy the absolute path of this special shell. Yeah, this is the shell script, not binary. Okay, and very easy, a very simple script. Export or define the environment variable term, and then execute command more and read or retrieve the text file. So let me take a look at the text file. But I think this file should be under home directory of the Bandit 26. At this moment, at this point, we do not have permission to retrieve. Okay, this doesn't matter. So I think from the script itself, we know that although we can get with the private key, we can get access to the target with the private key. However, because this shell just simply execute more command, and maybe the text this file is too short, and we didn't see the more command. If maybe I can open up a new tab, maybe. So why so okay, so for example, we can use the more command like password. As you can see, we can see this thing more and followed by the percent, like 43% here, and then we can we can quit the more by pressing keys Q. Okay, so because maybe exit from this terminal, because this text file is too short. Even more command, this more command is a shell command, doesn't need to go into interactive mode. If we can go into the interactive mode, then we can, for example, switch more to Vim. Vim, we can simply press keys V to go to the Vim. And the Vim editor allow us to execute command, right? So I think now the key problem for us is how to go into the interactive mode of the more, and we cannot change the size of the text file. So how to do? We can make our window to be smaller, much smaller, and then one window cannot display the text. And then the more will go to the interactive mode. So how to make the window of a terminal to be smaller? We have shortcut. We can press keys at and F8, and then we can draw maybe here, okay? And then we can SSH Bandit 20. Let me change the username to 26, and we can go to the end, and then we can put option of -I to specify the private key, and then we can press enter. As you can see now, we can see the more and followed by the percent, 33%. So now we are already in the interactive mode of more command, and we need to press keys V to switch to the Vim editor, okay? V, and now we are in Vim editor, and now we can rescale the window, for example, to make the maximum or full screen mode. And the next we can, press the column, and we can set a new shell. Of course, this time we need to set a new shell. Otherwise, when we run shell command, we'll go to the default shell of this user, and this doesn't help. So we need to reset shell to bash, normal bash, okay? No problem. Now, if we set, press column and shell, run shell command, as you can see now, we have already come back to the normal shell, and then we can get out the password of the next level, bandit pass, bandit 26. Okay, so this is the password for the next level, bandit 26. So that's all I'd like to do in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.